Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I really appreciate that as we build this little baby channel up to be a grown-up channel. And thanks for joining me in Ireland. Yes, indeed, Ireland. We are at this beautiful mansion using some steel roof on walls and roof on the facade. Fantastic start. 7.2 acres with Christie's Real Estate. 6.3 million USD. Interior of 3,660 square feet. And we're in Hull, Dublin, Ireland. And Ireland, for sure, trying to get that right, rolling it. But struggling to roll the R there, but that's okay. Let's get into it. Please comment on this property too if you particularly like it. Old stone building here. Certainly reused, repurposed stone for sure. And we see a wonderful lake at the front. Almost looks like it's frozen there. It may be because of the wintry weather the photos were taken in. But look at this view from the slope looking up. We're looking up the hill. And we're seeing a wonderful architecture with the steel here, steel exterior, and then the same used for the roof. Then these massive picture windows, lots of succulents here, and the old repurposed stone and this little pond here. I called it a lake because it looked like one from the other photo. And that's the thing you got to be careful with real estate pictures, that you don't make things look too big. Because then when clients get there, they go, what happened? Did it shrink in the wash, etc.? But look at the views. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Lovely timber floors, massive picture windows all around, LED lights in the ceiling. It is super duper trooper. This is a beauty. We've got the kids' play deck out here with house and so on. We've got that pond, and then we've got 7.2 acres, I think I said, and then a lovely farm cottage over here. Views forever. Views forever. Lovely shrubberies and local plants, and then this roof view up here, up these stairs, and skylights and more. Now look at that position. Here we are back here. Fabulous position on the cliff tops. Just fabulous. Look at this. Oh yes, this is a beauty in Ireland, and looking so good, isn't it? The great walkways there. Look at the walkways along here, along the cliffs. Fabulous. You can see some locals down here walking along. And there's the view looking down. And what a paradise it is for sure. It'll be cold in the winter, but fabulous views. And you can see the design of this house is designed for the weather. So what a fabulous example. And that must be it. Oh, that looks like that's it for photos. But here we see on the map. And there we have it. It is a beauty. Dublin, Ireland, fantastic, and an amazing price tag, but what a beautiful, unique home, globally speaking. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. That was a quick one, wasn't it? As we look at properties here and around the world, I must say, I'll just jump in, I enjoyed my trip to Dublin, Ireland. What a beautiful country it is, from coast to coast, friendly people, lots of pubs, and lots of very small homes that fit in with the cottage lifestyle, beach cottages, and much, much more, miners' cottages, etc. But a country with incredible history and undeniable beauty, right from top to bottom. So there it is, Ireland. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.